YouTube? D4G here, banging out another video. Hey, y'all know what time it is, man. It's First Impression Friday. Now, we've been waiting on this one for a while. We're finally going over Fabulo Intense and Porto Neroli, the two Tom Ford clones that we've been waiting to get our hands on and unbox from Mason Alhambra. So y'all know what it is, man. Grab you a seat, get you some popcorn, and let's get it. D4G here. So like I said, man, First Impression Friday, we're unboxing two new fragrances. But before we even do any of that, gotta give a shout out to all my new subscribers out there. So if you're new, welcome. Over here on this side of YouTube, we like to make sure that you looking good, smelling good, and feeling good through the art of fragrances. So if that's something that you're interested in, make sure that you hit that subscribe button, as well as the bell notification, so that you can be updated anytime we drop this content. And to all my OG subscribers out there, man, my A1 since day ones. Salute, fam. Hope everything is good with you. Man, let's go ahead and get into it, man. First Impression Friday. The first one that we're going to go over is going to be Fabulo Intense. Now, if I'm correct, I think this is supposed to be a fucking fabulous clone. So we're going to see what this is like, man. Packaging is very simple. You have Fabulo Intense up front, Mason Alhambra with their stamp. On the back, you have the ingredients information as well as the authenticity sticker. Got a little bit of stuff on the bottom, and then you got the Mason Alhambra stamp at the top. Now, this is a 80 ml concentration. For the most part, all of these come in 80 mls. Bro, this is a very nice presentation, man. I like this one a lot, man. This presentation is a banger. This presentation is a winner. Let's see what this juice hitting on, though, because that's all we really care about. Even though it is a very nice very nice presentation. I like it, man. All right, let's see what we get. Hey, bro. This is nice, man. This is nice. It's bright and clean up front. That's all I'm getting is like a bright cleanness. Now, it does have a little bit of a lavender feel in there and somewhat of a clary sage mixture going on in the opening. So it's gelling together very nicely with those two. And already in the opening, I'm picking up leather. It's really reminding me of, if y'all know how, bro, I talked about intense leather by several times, Ferragamo so much. If you know what that opening smells like, that's what this one smells like. Just a little bit more of a brighter and somewhat woodsy, earthier style mix going on in there. But it's definitely clary sage heavy. It does have that lavender. This is a nice fragrance. Not too complex. But I will say it's not on the mass appealing side of things. So this isn't one of those this isn't a fragrance that I can see everybody truly rocking with it, enjoying. But for me, bro, this is one that could damn near be signature scent, bro. This bitch is nice. Especially because it's already coming off as one of those fragrances that you can rock year round. It's not coming off as something that's too heavy in the darkness to where you really want to stick to it towards those cold months. This one has a nice body to where I can see this during spring, fall, and winter. Now, I really can't see it during the summer because might choke somebody out with this. But during those times, during those seasons, yeah, this is a nice one, man. I like this. Lavender, clary sage. I'm getting a little bit of leather as well. And again, it's a woodsy note in there, but it's a clean woodsy. It's almost like it's not a cedar or sandalwood woods at all. We're going to let that one chill for a second. We're going to go into this other one because I know this is one that y'all really want to get into. So, Porto Neroli. Same setup as Fabulo Intense. So you see the front there. You got the back ingredients and all that good stuff at the top and then at the bottom. So now we're gonna see what this presentation and setup is looking like, cause bro, this bitch is nice, man. Oh, hey, I really do like this bottle setup, like the turquoise teal looking color. I really do like that. But let's see what this bitch is nice in hand too. Clean that off a little bit. All right, now let's see what Porto Neroli is going for. Let's see what that one got going on. Okay, that's a little different. Okay, so I'm getting a huge lemon blast, like citrus lemon. I'm definitely getting hit with a little bit of lemon up top. And some aquatic features. Not much on the aquatic. You're definitely gonna get more of the lemon than the aquatic. But it does have a little bit of an aquatic feel to it. This bitch nice too, man. But hey, that Fabulo Intense. Hey, that Fabulo Intense, bro. This one is nice too. Very bright, very uplifting. Somewhat has a green side to it as well, but it's still on that aquatic nature of things. Okay, now a little bit of this is coming into like a mandarin orange style sweetness. I'm starting to get a little bit of the orange, but I'm still getting a nice lemon. The lemon is more prominent than the orange for sure. Somewhat floral in a way, but not heavy in the floral. It's not sticking in like a rose. It's more so sticking on like the white flowers, the jasmine type of flowers, that aspect of things. So in the opening of Porto Neroli, I'm getting a nice lemon. I'm getting some type of orange as well. I'm getting a little bit of like a jasmine white flowers effect. And I'm also getting a little bit of aquatic nature. This bitch is nice, man. This is nice. But hold on, man. I gotta go back one time. I got a back door on this one. Bruh, this Fabulo Intense is my style of fragrance. Like, it's very nice, bruh. In the opening, when you initially spray it, you're gonna get hit with a little bit of Salvatore Ferragamo Intense Leather. But then as it's working its way through the dry down, because this is where it's already going now, it starts to move in a direction that's more so similar to Kahashabi by Lattafa. So in the opening, you have Salvatore Ferragamo Intense Leather. In the dry down, you're gonna get more so of Kahashabi, which this one's very woodsy, as well as has like a lot of white flowers in it as it works its way through the dry down. And that's kind of what this one is coming off, bro. This is very nice, man. I'm liking Fabulo Intense a lot, but again, this one is not a fragrance that's mass appeal, so it's not gonna be one of those that everybody's just gonna generate to and just wanna grab. But if you like woods, if you like leather, you gonna rock with this one, fam. This bitch is nice, man. A little bit of a citrus feel up top, but it's more so of just that lavender and clary sage. Bruh, this bitch is nice, man. Hold up, bruh. Fabulo Intense might be the winner of the bunch. Porto Neroli is nice, but this one really doesn't do too much for me like that. I can see this one being a clean scent. I can definitely see this one being more so unisex than Fabulo Intense. Fabulo Intense is gonna be masculine all the way. Porto Neroli has a little bit of a unisex side to it. I can see Porto Neroli being nice for the spring, summertime as well. Office safe, yes. Casual, cool. Going out, really, even during the daytime. I don't even know if I would want to spray this one on during the daytime going out, because I would probably want to grab something else for that situation. But I don't know, man. This one might just be more casual than anything. Casual work, laid back, not too serious. Even though you can make it serious, it just doesn't have that mass appeal DNA that most blue fragrances have. And Fabulo Intense, bruh, this bitch fall, winter, spring, any reason, fam. Why you want to put it on? You just want to spray it on, just smell good. You don't have to wear a suit with this. You can dress this one up or down. This is a very nice, fucking fabulous Fabulo Intense by, Mason Alhambra. They did their thing with this one. I was not expecting that to be the winner of the bunch, but you never know how these things go. But that's gonna be the video right there. Let me know down in the comment section what y'all think, and do y'all have these in y'all collection? I know that some of y'all was looking for Porto Neroli. Trust me, I was looking for Porto Neroli as well, but it wasn't exactly what I was expecting. And when I put that Fabulo Intense up against Porto Neroli, fam, it's easy for me to choose Fabulo Intense all day, every day versus Porto Neroli. But it might be different for some of y'all, so let me know down in the comment section what y'all think and if y'all have any one of these in your collection. But with all that being said, we about to get up out of here. I hope y'all have a great day. I hope y'all have a phenomenal day. Stay on your square, stay on your purpose. Don't let nobody take you off of it, fam. D4G, truly blessed, destined for greatness. We out.